What's up, guys? I had a question for you guys. Anyone who's running Darkside tire on a VTX, how much tire pressure are you guys putting in there? I got about 45 PSI in mine. I just put that in there. I think it was at about 38 before. I'm just curious to what you guys are putting in there. I'm a little bit of a heavier guy. If you guys could share that with me, that'd be great. I'm just trying to get the best ride out of this Darkside tire. But I'll show you guys what the bike looks like. It's a Douglas tire. It's a 205/60R16. It's been on there since last summer. I didn't ride it much. It's an all-season tire. This is a 2006 VTX 1800N. I got the Metzler on the front. Bought that brand new. Installed that at home. And then I was able to get the car tire mounted at the local tire shop on the rear. But what I did was I went ahead and I took the wheel off and took it up to the shop. That way they wouldn't ask so many questions. I just brought the wheel and the tire up separately, and that's how I did that. I can't remember if I removed the rear tire before I took the wheel up there, but yeah, you guys let me know how much PSI you guys are putting in there. I'm getting ready to take this thing out today for work, and I'm just trying to figure out what some of you guys are putting your rear PSI at. Also, go ahead and let me know what you guys are putting your front PSI at. When I did that rear tire, I did the front tire at the same time. It's just this is an actual rear tire, so let me know, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you don't, just hit the thumbs down. If you want to see more videos, you want to see more about the VTX or the Regal, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Peace.